In the heart of the New World, the French colony of Quebec stood as a beacon of French culture, a testament to the grandeur of the French Colonial Empire. The year was 1759, and the colony, nestled along the St. Lawrence River, found itself under siege by the British forces under the command of General James Wolfe. The tension between the French and the British had been building for years, fueled by economic rivalry and territorial ambitions. The French, led by the charismatic and ambitious Governor Vaudreuil, had fortified Quebec to protect their colony, but they were outnumbered and outgunned by the British. The siege began with a barrage of cannon fire, the deafening roar echoing through the quiet Quebecois countryside. The French defenders, though brave, were no match for the relentless onslaught. The city, once a symbol of French power, was slowly being reduced to rubble. On the night of September 13th, General Wolfe made a daring decision. He ordered his men to climb the steep cliffs of the Heights of Abraham, a move that would give them a strategic advantage over the French defenders. The climb was treacherous and many fell to their deaths, but the British pressed on, driven by the promise of victory. The next morning, the British forces emerged from the fog, their bayonets glinting in the early light. The French, taken by surprise, were quickly overpowered. Governor Vaudreuil, realizing the futility of further resistance, surrendered the city. The fall of Quebec was a turning point in the French and Indian War. The British victory marked the beginning of the end for the French Colonial Empire in North America. The Treaty of Paris, signed in 1763, officially ceded Quebec and all French territories in North America to the British. However, the legacy of the French in Quebec lives on. Their language, their culture, and their spirit continue to shape the identity of the province to this day. The fall of Quebec may have marked the end of French rule, but it certainly did not extinguish the flame of French culture in North America.